Floods can come at any time, but they don't have to take you by surprise. Making a flood kit in advance is a simple way to prepare. And the good thing is, most of the things you need are already in your house. And it's a simple way to help prepare you and your family if flooding happens. A flood kit should include a torch, and remember, some spare batteries, a first aid kit just in case, and any prescription medicines you might need. Next, add warm and waterproof shoes and clothing, and rubber gloves. Pop in bottled water and snacks like energy bars. Add essential pet or children's supplies. Insurance details and passports and any other important documents. Include a portable wind-up or battery-powered radio and spare batteries, of course. And lastly, a list of important contact numbers. Remember to keep your phone charged and close by. And that's it. Your flood kit is complete. You should put it in a box and store it high up. For further advice, go to the Floodline website, www.floodlinescotland.org.uk.